What's going on YouTube? It's your boy StewPac here, representing Rogue Gaming Competitive Team, checking in from the Call of Duty Man Cave. And today, guys, I decided to make a video where I kind of spitball some ideas around a little bit with you guys relating to how to recruit guys into your clan or your competitive team. So it's something I've been having some direct experience with, and I thought I wanted to kind of share my journey with you all, sort of with the hopes that there might be somebody out there that's doing the same thing that I'm doing or that I was doing a few months ago. Maybe they're having a little bit of trouble with it. Kind of similar to how I did and how I did a little research and, some trial and error and kind of came up with a few different ways that sort of helped me recruit guys into my team. So hopefully this will be a little helpful for you. Anyway, this will be totally unscripted, right? So full disclosure, I am not scripting this whatsoever. So, just got a few talking points to sort of lead my brain here or there. So I apologize in advance if I sound like a doofus. But yeah, so hopefully pity and hit that like button. Anyway, okay, so let's get right into it, ladies and gents. How do I get people to join my clan or my competitive team, right? That is the topic at hand, and that is probably one of the most difficult things that, people starting their own clan or competitive team, whatever, what have you, sort of go through. So I've nailed down what I feel are the three major areas where you can meet and recruit teammates. To summarize them real quick, number one, the most important is being online, playing in line. Number two is social media. And number three is just in-person techniques. So I'm going to go into a little bit of detail about each one. I want to try to have this video be not quite as long. The last video I said, I kept saying throughout it, I was like, all right, this is not going to be a long one. This is going to be a quick one. Let's get right to the point. And it was like a 15-minute video. So let's knock these out real quick. We won't have you staying here all night. So play online, right? Obviously, if you're going to be a clan leader for a game, you should be pretty good at the game, to be honest. You don't want to be, a bottom-tier player leading a clan because it's going to be hard for guys to take you seriously. So you want to make sure that you have a fairly good base in the game, that you know the game pretty well. Like, for example, I do Call of Duty, so know the maps, know the callouts, know the guns, know the loadouts, know how to move tactically. If you're going to start a clan, you got to know how to play objective-based games. So, primarily I'll be talking Call of Duty, so, you got to know how to play domination, control, search and destroy, huge, you know what I mean? Like, these are just hard point, without a doubt, this game modes that you have to master. You have to know the hard point rotations, things like that. Anyway, so to be online, to meet people for your clan, you have to be in game chat, right? If you're not having your microphone on because you don't have anyone to play with, that's not going to work. If you're in a private party by yourself and you're not talking to anybody, that's not going to work. You want to look for people on your team with a microphone, or even sometimes people on the opposite team where you could have a little friendly kind of back and forth, like sort of a competition with each other, and maybe you respect each other's skill. You send them a message, you say GG, you want to get picked up. So, look for people with a mic that you can interact with. Like I was saying before, you need to know your map callouts and, just practice making map callouts even if the map is, or if the lobby is, has no one with a microphone, because this is something that I personally experienced. Like, I would be in a game, I'm like, I'm not going to not make callouts just because nobody's talking, right? I'm going to make callouts assuming that the rest of the guys on my team can at least hear me, and that's going to, elevate our chances of winning the match, right? So I'm practicing my map callouts and my communication as I go throughout the game, and I've had several times that people have turned on their microphones to chat with me, and to do callouts with me. People that were just silent that decided, hey, like, this guy's taking the game seriously, like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna help him out as well. So that's actually how I've recruited several guys, just making callouts and communicating in lobbies that no one was talking in. Take the game as seriously as, you take how much you take your clan seriously. How, you are what you think you are, right? This is an image game. If people go around thinking they're the best and they act like it and then they back it up, if you take the game seriously, you take your call-out seriously, then, you're going to attract people who take the game and the call-out seriously, and you're going to attract the right people. So, take the game seriously, have fun, but, play to win. If you want to join a clan, you want people to want to be in your clan, you need to win. You need to be good. And that leads me directly to my next one. Don't rage, right? Don't rage and be friendly. be a gentleman or gentlewoman, so to speak. If you lose with grace. Try to, win respectfully. People may not express it, but I think they really do appreciate that. So, that's huge. And then finally, invite people to a private game chat after, or like I said earlier, like send them a GG. Ask you if they want to get picked up. They want to run a couple games together. It's a great way to pick people up. I highly recommend not bringing up your clan like right away. See if they're cool, man. Like, play with them for a few days. Just more than just, I've had people where like I'm like, this is a cool dude, and then like they disappear or they get weird. Like, just try them out for a little bit. Don't invite them to a lobby and immediately ask them to join your clan, because it also just looks tacky and you look desperate. So just play the image right. Anyway, moving on to the second point, social media. This is a huge one for me as well. Anybody that knows me and my team, Rogue Gaming, competitive team, we're huge. We're on every social media platform. So super important if you're setting up your clan. And if you do watch, I have a how to start a clan video tutorial as well on the YouTube. You got to have your socials and your fine print stuff all set up before you recruit, because somebody shows up to join your clan and you're, oh, what's my name? Oh yeah, we don't have logos yet. Like, yeah, just do this and sure, you can be in the clan. They're not going to take you seriously, man. I'm telling you right now. So make sure you have all your socials set up, man. Socials are huge, and they don't really take that long. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Discord. These are basic things you can do within an hour to make your team look professional and legitimate. Nice graphics, nice logos, banners for your Facebook page. Things that make people take you seriously are important if you want people to take you seriously. So, have your stuff together. Your fine print, your recruit process, how you, your roster, how you organize people into teams, what your goals are, what you're trying to do, your trainings, have a weekly meeting, have all your stuff set up so that when people do arrive, you can guide them through your socials, be like, okay, all of our core information, our rules, our processes are on Discord, our chats are on Facebook, our main, game clip posts are on Instagram, blah, blah, blah. And another huge one for me that helped quite a bit, making promotional posts for Instagram and sharing them to Twitter and Facebook as well. Instagram seems to be the hot spot though, right? For great tutorials, I feel like YouTube, but for like those like kind of, I'll block post like 3 to 6 like recruitment. I'll put like my Facebook info on one post, and then immediately the YouTube info, and then immediately the Discord info, and then the team email, and then I'll put like the team logo followed by like another post with the team name that says like we're recruiting, just so it kind of like blocks off a big chunk of space so people will notice you. Also, another thing with these like videos and posts, hashtags are crucial. I highly recommend, I have 30 hashtags for Instagram that are on a Google document that I copy and paste. Don't type your hashtags out every time, and use all 30, because why not, right? The more places that you can get, the better. And don't have them all be major, like, YouTube, because there's going to be millions. Your posts are going to get lost. Do those technical things. Clans, clan battle, clan recruitment, clan wars, like, and then search, go on there. So use the right hashtags, and be persistent, man. Don't send 2 or 3 posts and nobody really responds. You got to stay persistent. I have only 50 subscribers on my YouTube. I've been doing it for several months now. Sometimes do I get bummed about it? Sure. But you push forward, right? So that's huge. Anyway, yeah, also titles are key, right? Especially on YouTube. Whatever you title, so like for example, this video, I'm going to title, how do I recruit people into my clan? Because I'm assuming that people are going to type that into YouTube or are having trouble recruiting people for their clan, and hopefully find me and hopefully get some use out of that. So again, titles are key. Alright, so in person, wow, I'm talking myself out of breath here. In person, this is going to be not always the primary, I feel like, especially because, like, clans are, a virtual relationship, right, with other people. But I think a great base to start to get a couple people. Do you have any friends that game? Do you have any gamers on your friends list currently? Do you know anyone at work or school or, in the public that games? Stop into GameStop a lot, bring it up to people, anytime you hear somebody talking about, you always hear here and there, not all the time, somebody talking about the new Call of Duty this, that, ask them if they're pre-ordering it. It's a great way to just pick up people to play with, and then, like I said, don't walk up and say, hey, you want to join my clan? Because then you sound kind of like, a goober, but, ease into it. But friends and, acquaintances, coworkers, schoolmates, it's a great way to get a base. Right, so anyway, guys, that covers my 3 major points for how to recruit people into your clan and your competitive team. I don't want to go too much in summary here. I've already gone over my 6-minute goal, so I hope you guys got some good use out of this. If you did like the video, please drop a like. If you didn't like the video, also please drop a like, because I'm not looking for any thumb downs. Kidding. If you have any suggestions for different recruitment strategies, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. If you're interested in videos like this, please, like I said, hit me with a subscribe. It certainly means a lot to me. Makes me feel more motivated to do this. So if you did get something out of the video, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, guys, StewPac here, checking out Rogue Gaming Competitive Team. I'll see you guys out there. Thanks, guys.